I'm back. Like that alcoholic brother-in-law. So, anyway, yeah, we're having another estate sale. And I've got a Epicurean trail in the pipe. It's really short, but it was a really great place to eat, let me tell you. And I'm going to be doing a whiskey review coming up here. So nothing special today except for this. Oh, that's not true, I'm a liar. I got a new cigar toy. Lumos. There you go. Knox. There you go. Pretty cool, isn't it? No, not really. This side is a cigar drill. So you can start drilling into your cigar. If you have a really tight cigar. Someone keeps bugging me on the phone. And this side is just a piercer. In case your cigar is not... I prefer the drill, but there's the piercer right there. And they fit in this fancy little cigar wand. And I have a new lighter. Not a vintage lighter or an antique lighter, but it's a new lighter. And it's deep in the recesses. And everything's falling out of my pockets except the lighter. Okay, cut.
A few moments later.
Once again, I'm back. Once again, I'm back. Once again, I'm back. There you go. It's like a hammered brass. It's made to look vintage, but it's not really vintage. Well, it gets hot pretty quick when you're lighting a cigar. But it's not blazing hot. Anyway, I just got that lighter. It's pretty cool. You know, it's a gimmick. It's like a little novelty lighter. Meant to look old, but it's not really old. Here, let's do it this way. Yeah, so the whole yard is full of stuff, and they got even more stuff to put out. They're going to finish setting up this week. So this coming weekend, they're going to boy, I knew that was going to happen. I saw this weird... There it is. Oh, it's a regular jet. But what's weird was it was moving in two different directions. I'm not a big UFO conspiracy guy, but it was a cylindrical object that was very bright. I took my glasses off, took out the binoculars, and now it's flipping gone. It is completely gone. Anyway, that's how fast things happen. I'll just keep the binoculars here just in case. Anyway, what was I saying? Well, anyway, we're having a big state sale. It's 28th, 29th, 30th, I think. And it's going to be right here in good old West Covina. So anyway, that's pretty much it. This might just be some random video that shows up like tomorrow or Tuesday. I don't know if this coming Wednesday is going to be a whiskey review or DXing. And I'll post this video for tomorrow, and you guys let me know what you'd rather see. I can't do any patrolling until we got a lot of this stuff done in family obligation, because, you know, I'm a family guy. You know, I got grandkids, I got daughters. You know, I have to take care of them, and that's the most important thing in the world. I hope you agree. So do any of you guys over there on the other side of the ocean follow Survival Lily? She's Austrian. Boy, she's pretty grim occasionally. And I would very seriously recommend Chris Chappell on China Uncensored and America Uncovered. Yeah, that's what I would do. It's like in the United States, most of the news is run by the Walt Disney Company. They own a lot of news outlets. So anything with the channel ABC7 is totally biased. That's run 100% by the Walt Disney Company. Anyway, I'm done with politics for now. It's pretty muggy. It's like 60% relative humidity out here, and it's temperature's gone down. It was 80, and now it's only like 75 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll put the actual scientific temperature down here for you imperial deniers. And it's crystal clear out here. It's just, if I was standing on my roof, I could see for 100 miles. It's very clear out here today. Anyway, enough of that jabberjaw. This has gotten too long. I got a sweet tea. I got a cigar. I have binoculars. I got a blue sky to look at. So until we meet again, until Wednesday. Later, Mater.